Hi, are you a Star Wars action figure collector like me who loves the retro line but absolutely hates that god awful retro sticker that Hasbro continuously puts on the card? It ruins the card. It takes up like a good third of it. Just about. Why can't they put the sticker on the plastic? Jing, are you listening?
Not listening. Not listening.
I'm going to show you guys how to remove the sticker slowly and effectively so you can display your retro cards like I do without that awful sticker. First, you need a Star Wars action figure card for you to practice on, one that you're already planning on opening. Second, some Q-tips. Third, lighter fluid. I don't recommend smoking. A soft cloth and a little container for you to put your lighter fluid in. Are you ready? Let's get to work. So I poured the lighter fluid in here, and I highly recommend to not smoke while you do this. Don't play with fire. You take your Q-tip, get it all drenched in the lighter fluid, and then you smother the sticker, like so. Be patient. Just smother it. It's not going to hurt the card. I try not to get the lighter fluid anywhere near the plastic adhesive or the actual blister. So please be mindful about that. And you're going to see the sticker starts to change color just a little bit. You're going to be doing that a few times throughout this procedure. Then, either with something like a nail, just gently tug on the sticker's edge, trying to create a lip. Sometimes the stickers are very difficult. You don't want to press too hard to damage your card. Remember that. You're just gently picking at the sticker to create a lip. Then you smother that edge a little bit more, all around it, with your Q-tip. Gently get that lip going. I don't know if you can see, but one is starting, but I don't feel too comfortable yet in trying to pull on it. We're almost there. Okay, a little bit more lighter fluid. Smother, smother, smother. Now I wish you could see your nails with my nails. I'm about ready. You can probably try using tweezers. All right, success. I've got a lip started. Then what I do with the Q-tip is I kind of try to get underneath the lip like that. You see that? Just gently pull. Just gently pull. Do some more. I'm sorry with the light. Trying to work with the lighting here. See? Now as you gently pull, the sticker begins to give way. Now don't worry about the extra adhesive that's underneath the sticker, because we will wipe that off with a soft towel afterward. Do you see how much I've gotten off right there? Be very careful and be very patient. This could take 5 minutes. It could take 15. It all depends on the sticker and how strong its adhesive is on the card. Fortunately, with this 4LOM figure, or is it 4LOM? It's very easily coming off. The gods are with me, or as we say in Star Wars, the Force is with me. And you can periodically go back, make sure that sticker is still smothered. Now, do you see what I'm doing? I'm just gently pulling, not too hard. It's a marathon, not a race, right? So it's about 1/3 pulled off already. Now, there are some figures that I had tremendous difficulty in trying to get the sticker off, and there were a few cards that I ruined. But I think I've perfected this. I'm just gently holding the sticker up and just letting it release itself from the card as I continuously put the lighter fluid with the Q-tip underneath. I'm getting a little bit more resistance now. Of course, in the final stretch, so I'm smothering that area of the sticker on top like that. Don't get too gung-ho. Be patient. Now, as you see, the edge really started to give way right here. I'm patient. I'm patient. I'm almost done. Almost done. Voila! We now have that awful retro sticker taken off. Blech. Now, gently with the cloth, we're going to wipe, just gently. And then we might need to put a little bit more lighter fluid to get some of this excess adhesive off the card. You'll see it. And you also feel it too. It's kind of sticky-ish. And this very gently, just gently, rub it off with a soft cloth. I've never really used a paper towel. I don't know if I would recommend it or not. Something soft, something cloth. Give it a moment to dry, and your card should be done. And there you have it, a Star Wars action figure from the Retro collection without that awful retro sticker taking up so much property on the photograph. Guys, I have an idea. Let's all take off our stickers and mail them to Jing at Hasbro. Maybe that will get the message across.
Girl.